Many things we humans do every day directly or indirectly affect our atmosphere and contribute to air pollution. Coal, oil, and other non-renewable sources, often called fossil fuels, are used in ways that release gases like carbon dioxide into the air.
Normally, this would not be a huge problem. However, because of the extreme levels at which we use these resources, the release is upsetting the balance of many natural processes, such as the carbon and nitrogen cycle.
By combusting such large amounts of these fossil fuels, we add too much CO2, nitrogen, and more dangerous gases to the atmosphere for the environment to naturally cycle through and filter out.
Another thing adding to air pollution is many agricultural practices used. Things like pesticides and insecticides can emit dangerous chemicals into the air.
Air pollution isn't only from big industries and places like factories and farms. Smaller, everyday things can add to the growing problem too. Car emissions are one of the biggest issues. The chemicals from paint that make it hard to breathe is also a contributor. Everything added together makes for some big problems.
Dozens of different problems are caused by air pollution, from certain internal issues within an organism to our planet dying as a whole.
It has been proven that worsening atmosphere is taking a toll on people's health. Heart and lung diseases are affected of it, as well as some forms of cancer.
Sometimes the pollutants spread into the water and harm organisms in the sea.
On land, many different species have died or had to migrate to survive the toxic environments. Things like these are becoming more common, which is a clear sign that something must change. And in case individual organisms suffering from pollution wasn't enough, take a look at global warming.
When greenhouse gases, often produced through fossil fuel combustion, are trapped in the atmosphere, it causes the greenhouse effect. Heat and radiation from the sun come in but cannot escape after bouncing off the earth.
This leads to global warming. Since the heat cannot escape, it stays and keeps the planet warmer with each moment the sun can reach the surface. This climate change is causing various other severe problems.
Without making changes, our planet will never be able to recover from the damage air pollution and other problems cause.
Scientists have found many different ways to replace harmful sources of pollution that we rely on, so we can switch relatively easy.
We could save thousands of species of plants and animals, preserve ecosystems, and protect people from many kinds of ailment by ending air pollution. We just need everyone to help out.